Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Fiverr and Upwork, two of the biggest freelance platforms out there. Whether you're a freelancer looking for work or a client searching for talent, this video will help you understand the differences and choose the best platform for your needs. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips and guides. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is all about gig-based services, where freelancers offer specific services at fixed prices starting at $5. It's easy to get started and perfect if you want a quick and straightforward way to sell your skills. Freelancers create gigs for anything from graphic design and writing to digital marketing and video editing. Fiverr also provides tools for messaging, order tracking, and secure payments, making it easy to manage orders. Now, let's look at Upwork. Upwork works more like a freelance marketplace. Clients post jobs, and freelancers submit proposals with their rates and timelines. Upwork is great for project-based work, hourly contracts, and longer-term projects. It's ideal if you want to build ongoing relationships with clients and negotiate your rates directly. When it comes to fees, Fiverr charges a flat 20% service fee on every order, while Upwork charges between 10 and 20%. Depending on your total earnings with a client. Upwork also offers membership plans that can reduce fees and provide additional perks for freelancers who want to scale their business. In terms of opportunities, Fiverr has a larger global audience for small gigs and quick jobs, but it's highly competitive. Upwork, on the other hand, tends to focus on longer-term projects and professional clients, which can be better if you're looking for stable income and more specialized work. So, which one should you choose? If you prefer quick gigs, fixed prices, and easy setup, Fiverr is a solid choice. If you want hourly work, longer projects, and client relationships, Upwork may be the better fit. Many freelancers even use both platforms to maximize their opportunities and income. In short, both Fiverr and Upwork have unique strengths. Your choice depends on your work style, the type of clients you want, and whether you prefer gig-based or project-based freelancing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are freelancing, and subscribe for more tips on succeeding online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.